So today it's going to be very simple and straightforward. Let's start. Okay, so we're going to see how to add a PIP. Okay, I'll explain that in the video later on. Okay, so let's just create a new project. Okay, so we can use the blank. Yep, we can use the blank image. Okay, so here let's change the color. Yep, let's go to background and change the color. Okay, let's change it to white or red, anyone. So let's use red. It's okay. Okay, so after creating your video, remember what I told you guys, that the image I imported is called a clip. You remember that? Yes, it is called a clip. Okay, when you import anything in your timeline, anything that you're going to work on, okay, the project that you're going to work on is your what? Is your clip, be it a video or a photo or even just a blank image. Okay, it is referred to as what? It is referred to as a clip. Okay, let me reduce this size. Okay, it is referred to as a clip. So after a clip, apart from clip, we have what we call overlay. Now remember I told you that if you tap on this plus icon, you can bring in anything. Okay, you can bring in anything to add as your clip, so that you edit so that you edit it, right? So like for example, this one, now you can see this one is okay, so you can see this is different from this, right? You can see this is different from this. This is different, this is different. We have two clips, we have two separate clips here. Okay, let me delete this because it's not that effective. Can I have a video, like a 1x1 video? Let me import this one that is short. It is short. Okay, so you can see this one now. This video here is a clip. Okay, it's a clip. So apart from the video here, we also have another clip here, which is the blank image, right? So I want you to understand this before we move further. We have two separate clips here. So apart from clips, as I was saying, there's something we call PIP on Inshot. In Inshot we call it PIP, but it is referred to as an overlay in apps like the CapCut. The KineMaster app is referred to as what? Overlay layer. Okay, yes, I remembered. It is referred to as a layer. Okay, so I think it's very simple. Layer, overlay, PIP is all the same. So what's an overlay? Let's use the word overlay. It will be very simple for us. What's an overlay? An overlay is just something you import. It's just a product you import below what? Below your what? Sorry, below the clip here. I'm a little bit sick, so sorry for the lack of focus. Okay, below this clip you can import what we call a PIP. Okay, this PIP is referred to as an overlay, as in WVERLY. Okay, an overlay. Okay, so now if you import an image like this, maybe you want to import two videos to put them together in this clip, in the workspace, in the clip here. What you do is just tap on this PIP. When you tap on the PIP, you just go locate the video and import it. So you can see this video here, right? So maybe let's position it here and adjust the size. Okay, let's position it in the center and adjust the size like this. Okay, like this. Okay, like this is okay. So you can see that apart from the clip here, we also have another video, but the video is just the video is on top of the clip. You understand that? So that's what we call a PIP. You understand? So you can add another PIP. Just depending on how many PIPs you want. Like for example, you go to PIP again. Okay, this is the plus icon here to add another PIP. Okay, let's add this video here maybe. So you can see you can adjust it, like make it fill the screen if you want, or you can just bring it down. Okay, so maybe you want to add another PIP, you can go on and add another PIP. That's you are adding 3 videos at the same time. So these videos will play at the same time. Okay, these videos will play at the same time. Oh sorry, let me undo it first. Okay, so these videos will play at the same at the same time, just like this. Let's shift it a little bit. Okay, so this is it. So you can see there are 2 videos playing now. Let me play it for you to see. Okay, so these are tutorials, so just forget about it. There are 3 videos playing right now, 3 videos playing at the same time. You understand? So maybe you want to do a video that you want to put yourself in one place and put another thing in one place, as in like reaction or anything. So you can use the PIP. Okay, you can use the PIP to import the videos after the layer. Okay, after the layer. So how do you edit a PIP? It's very simple. Editing a PIP is very simple. I'm going to show you how to use this keyframe. It's very important too, maybe in the next video, by God's grace. Okay, yes, in the next video I'm going to show you how to use this keyframe. Okay, so when you tap on the edit here, you'll just be able to do the in animation and out animation stuff, and you can change the border color of your PIP. Okay, this is just a border color. You can see that the border color is changed to black. Okay, so here you can put in animation and out animation. That's the very important thing here. So apart from that, you can also do splitting to your PIP. You remember we do the splitting now, so it's very simple. Okay, so you can add a filter. I taught you how to add filters in PIPs. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use a chroma key and how to blend videos. Blending is very simple. No, this one is not very important, but maybe we'll talk about that. So you can adjust the volume of your PIP also. As you can see, it's very simple. You can add the speed of your PIP. So maybe you want to add a speed for the PIP to like be very fast. Okay, you can just drag here and you add the speed. But the more you add the speed, the lesser the duration. Okay, the lesser the duration of your video. The more you add speed to your video, the lesser the duration. You can see now the duration is at 5, but let's take for instance, let me reduce the size of the video, the duration. You can see it is in 1.6. so when I add the speed, for example, when I reduce the speed back here, it's going to add. Now the speed is in 73.90. you can see that it is now in 2.2. you understand? So that's it. The more you add the speed, the lesser the duration. That's it. You can see the speed is now at 16 seconds. Okay, so that's it for this. That's it for the speed. Okay, so apart from the standard speed here, in the standard speed, if you add a standard speed, the video is only going to, what the video is going to do is it will move in speed but in one place. Okay, I need like a motion video to show you this. I think I'll have a motion video. Let me check the PIP again. Let me delete this PIP. Okay, let me add a PIP. Can I find any motion video? Okay, let me use this video as my PIP. You can see that the video here is my PIP. Okay, so let's activate the video and let's go to the speed here. Yep. Okay, so in the standard speed, the video is going to move.
After that requires activation.
Okay, it's just going to move it's going to move standardly. I'm coming. Let me add the duration of this. Okay, so let me add. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, it's okay. I'm coming. Let's start from the starting. Let's go to the PIP again. Okay, so let's edit the PIP. So okay, sorry, I'm still trying to go to the speed. Okay, so in the speed here, it's going to move.
Your laptop that requires activation, then you should watch this video.
Okay, you can see it's moving in the standard format, like as in the video is moving in standard format. Wow, the video don't finish. Okay, so the speed is too much. Let me reduce it. So when you come to the curve here, what the curve speed does is that if you shot if you're using a motion video you can either put some curves to the speed. So if the video comes from the starting here, it's going to come slowly and it will move faster, you understand, in this place. Then it will come down slowly. Okay, you can take this down again. So when it comes slowly, it moves faster, then it moves slowly, it moves faster, you understand. So that is the curving. Okay, that's the curving PIP, and that's the curving speed. That's the curve speed. Okay, very simple. So this is what a curve speed is. If you are using an actual what's it called, okay, no, you can delete any point you want. You can delete any point. You can see the delete here. So when you activate this point, you can delete it, you can reset it, anyone. So let's use this and see. Let's see how it's going to be. Let's go from starting.
Go to productkeyforfree.com. Click on the product key tab. You'll see a lot of products that you can use. How this help? Like,
you understand? So you can hear how the voice is. Like the voice will come slowly, it will move faster, and so on. So that's just how to edit a PIP. That's how to import and edit a PIP. What I would just want you to understand here is that after the clip, there's what we call the PIP. That's the overlay. Okay, overlay, something that will come on top of the PIP. So when you are editing a video, after your main video, after a main project that you're editing, you can also add another video on top of that. Okay, that's just what I want you to understand. Like for instance, this blank space, it can be a video, not actually let me show you. It can be a video, or which video, let me import this video. It can be a video like this. Okay, so I'm coming, I'll have to delete that other blank. Okay, I'll have to delete this. Where's the delete stuff? Okay, so I have to delete this. Let me go to the PIP here and add a PIP. Or where's the PIP? Where's the guy? Okay, so you can see that there are two videos here. You understand what I mean? So when you play the video,
if you have software on your laptop that requires activation,
you understand. So there are two videos here. Maybe you can do some reacting video. You can put yourself here and put the main video you are reacting for in this place, or something similar to that. You can also cover up all the space of the video anyhow you want it. You just need to be creative. You just need to be creative while using this. I'm just here to introduce you to this app, okay, to the features of this app, and show you a little bit of how you can use them. So I'll see you in the next video. That's it for now.